Alright everybody, today we're going to be calculating the area between two curves with Python. And to do this, we're going to need Numpy, Scipy, and for plotting, making things pretty, we're going to use matplotlib. Let's start off by importing our libraries, creating our f of x function, where f of x equals x squared plus 3, creating our x variable, which is our Numpy array. We're going to be calculating the area from x equals -1 to x equals 2. And we're going to, just for plotting, we're going to use 200 points. So create our y variables, so f of x and g of x is just a numpy.ones, so it's just a bunch of ones. And if we go ahead and plot it, and we fill the space between f of x and g of x, we will see the function. So as you can see, the f of x, or the g of x function, is just 1, and f of x is this curve right here. That doesn't give us the area. To give us the area, we're going to need to calculate the integral of f of x from -1 to 2. Now this will actually give us a tuple. So the first number in the tuple is the actual area, and the second one is your estimated error. I'm not going to be worrying about the error, so I'm just going to calculate the definite integral. The answer there is 12. Now that answer right there is calculating from 0 to, from 0 to the variable. In order to actually get the area between these two, we're going to need to calculate the integral for g of x for the same interval. So that's our g of x function, and if we integrate it using Scipy's integrate method, integrate that quad, it'll give us the area, which is 3, which is, in this case, we could have done that in our head because it's just the formula for a rectangle. It's 3 times 1. And to get the area between the two, we're going to subtract the definite integral of f of x minus the definite integral of g of x to get 9. So that is how you get the area between two curves in Python. And another cool thing you learned is the fill between method for matplotlib. It's pretty nice when explaining calculus homework. In fact, I submitted this as my calculus homework assignment to my teacher to show that I understand what is going on. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.